So it is actually cloud computing is nothing but data center as a service. So the cloud service provider will give you data center, and that will be managed, maintained, created. Everything will be done by the cloud service provider. And what you will be doing is you will be basically using it as service, like you use the electricity. You are not going to go and produce the electricity now. What do? You get yourself a meter, you get yourself an electricity connection from the electricity board. From there, you distribute it in your home. This is how we do for electricity. The same thing the cloud computing service providers started offering you. They said that I will give you servers, storage, database, network tools, softwares. I will keep everything in my premise. Who? The cloud service provider. They will keep all these resources, servers, storage, database, networking, security related devices, storage, softwares, everything is kept in their premise. It is the cloud service provider who is going to manage everything. And you, as a user, will access these things over the internet. That means you don't need to maintain servers, you don't need to maintain storages, you don't need to maintain it will be everything done at Amazon's or Azure's or Google's data centers. If there is a hardware failure, it is the cloud service provider who will replace it. The cloud service provider will think about if there is a fire in this data center, what will happen. They will maintain the redundancy. You are freed up from this all burden, and you will be using data center as a service. That is what cloud computing is. The only dependency over here is it's a beautiful technology, makes your life easy and comfortable, makes, or you can say relieves the business owners from the burden of maintaining the IT infrastructure. The only one limitation that is there is internet connection. One should have a good internet connection so as to be able to use the cloud services. But nowadays, internet connection is not at all a problem for anyone. We know that we all are having like dual sim mobiles. For what? For passing our time on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. Someone are passing their time on Tinder, right? So we are having dual SIM mobiles. So that if one service provider, what we do is we are very smart. Like in India, there are service providers Airtel and Jio. So what we do, I'll keep one SIM of Jio and one SIM of Airtel, so that if in some area Jio's signal is not that good, then I will get good connectivity from Airtel. So I keep redundancy at the connectivity level. And for what? Just for playing videos and songs, right? So internet is redundant in everyone's pocket nowadays. So obviously the corporates must be enjoying a better internet than us, right? So internet is not a problem nowadays, and that is the reason cloud computing is booming, because with only that one limitation, otherwise cloud computing has so many benefits.
So, guys, this was our expert from Team K21 Academy. And if in case you missed upon any concept or if you want to dive deeper into the concepts, then we have something really special for you. We have our free class on Amazon AWS Solution Architect Certification for Beginners. Under this free class, you'll be learning about why and who should learn AWS, cloud services, deployment models, and AWS services as well. And the most important part is you'll be getting hands on labs, job opportunities, along with Docker and Kubernetes in AWS, and amazing, amazing stuff. So, if you want to register for this free class, All you have to do is just log on to your browser and type k21academy.com/AWS SA02. And after that, you'll be seeing this kind of interface. You just have to click on book your free seat now, select your event date, add your name, your email address, your phone number, and click on yes, save my seat. And after that, you'll be seeing this kind of page. You just have to save this link on the extreme right, add it to your calendars, and I'll see you in the free class. Till then, keep learning.